Howdy folks, welcome back to the channel. You guys been keeping up on the community tab. You guys seen my kid's Jeep that we've put a 4.5-inch lift on it, suspension lift, rough country. And now we moved on to put new rockers on it. Rebuilt the inner rocker on this side. Now we just got to put the outer on. And then there's the outers. Talk about a lot of cutting and fitting and crap. And then I started doing this side. Got that one tacked on, the bottom piece here. Tack that on there. Then I turned the welder back on and poof, just quit working. Just started making a real loud buzzing noise and blew the breaker. Flipped the breaker, turned it back on, and just did it again. I went through troubleshooting it. See, I got the rectifier out of it. See, now I can turn it on. There is no buzzing. And you can hear the transformer is working like it's supposed to. It's putting out the voltage it's supposed to also. But what I noticed was I couldn't figure out what the hell was going on here. Why it wasn't working. And then I looked at real close at this, and there was a little piece of wire. See that burnt mark right there? There's a little piece of welding wire somehow got in there and shorted from there to there. Probably blew the diodes out in this. So now it's like shorted out. So as soon as you put power to it, it just really makes a transformer hum hard. And blows the breaker. So that was my old faithful, man. I've had that thing for almost 30 years. I love that little welder. It's put a lot of things together. And parts for these are almost impossible to come by. And you can't replace those diodes. Those are, you probably could, but they're pressed into that heat sink. I don't know if I could. Or if I can go on eBay and try to find one. But anyways, now that project's at a standstill. I do have the big welder. I got the snap-on, the YA2112A, and that one is that's a pretty good one there. That one, she's got some voltage or some amps, you know. That's a big old welder on wheels. I mean, it's huge. Let me see if I can get a side shot of it. You know, that's a big one. But it has a twist lock plug on the back, which I don't have. I have the wire to make a plug for it, but I don't know. I'm just frustrated right now. Pisses me off because now I got this mess sitting in my driveway or in my garage. Who knows how long. Ugh. Don't you just hate them days? It was starting out good too. I was getting crap done on it, and I don't know how the hell that wire got in there, to be honest with you. Especially up here, you know, because the regulator is way up here. I don't see how it could have. Maybe through a gap or something, maybe? I have no idea. It's not like if you clipped, you know, clipped it off the lead, that would shoot into here. Because, you know, you're never facing it. The only way to come in would be through the back, I would think. So I don't know. I don't know how the hell that happened, but yeah, a little piece of welding wire, a little snippet. You can really see it there. See the two burn marks? Welded right across it and killed it. No, anyways, hopefully you guys are having a better day. If you like this video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.